everyone, welcome back to another episode of Coding Bytes. I am Joanne, an educator at Coding Lab, and today we are going to focus on creating clones as well as adding sensing blocks on Scratch. Our game today will be Virus Warriors, where you will help Ben collect masks and hand sanitizers while avoiding the virus. Let's take a quick review at what you'll make at the end of today. This is Ben. To make Ben move, you can actually use the arrow keys on the keypad. The objective of the game is to touch the mask and hand sanitizers while avoiding the virus. So each time if you touch the mask or hand sanitizer, your score will increase by 10. So if you accidentally touch the virus, your game will end. Now that you have seen the game, let's log in to our Scratch account and click on the project in the description box below. Our brave warrior is up to fight the virus. Help Ben program the hand sanitizer and mask to appear so that he can use them. Can you make them appear multiple times? As you can tell, only the virus clones are appearing. Hence, we'll need to remix our project so that our hand sanitizer and mask appear too. Before we begin coding, we should always ensure that we are coding on a correct sprite. Hence, we need to click on the mask and hand sanitizer sprite. Next, go to Events and click and drag when green flag is clicked. Next, we want to create clones of ourselves. Hence, we need to go under Control and create clones of myself. Myself meaning hand sanitizers and mask. How can we ensure that we are creating clones constantly? We can add a forever block. However, we do not want our clones to be created instantaneously. We want them to appear every fixed amount of seconds. Hence, we need to add a wait block and change the figure. We can change the figure to 6 so that every 6 seconds, a clone will appear. Next, we must also hide our original block. This is because we do not want our original block to be stuck on the screen. Firstly, when I start as a clone, I need to show myself. Next, how do we ensure whether hand sanitizer or mask appear? If you go to costume, you'll realize that there are two costumes, mask and hand sanitizer. Hence, we need to add a switch costume. Since we do not know which appear first and we want to get them to appear randomly, can go to Operators and pick Random. Since there are only two costumes, we need to change this to 2. Next, we want our clones to appear randomly on the screen. Hence, we need to go to Motion and drag, go to Random Position. We do not want our clones to be stuck on the screen forever. Hence, we need to wait for maybe 6 seconds and delete these clones. So if Ben don't touch the clone after 6 seconds, the clone will disappear and be deleted. Our next step is to add sensing on clones. When Ben touches our mask and hand sanitizers, the score will increase by 10. Hence, we'll need to drag when I start as a clone. If touching Ben, hence we'll go to Control and add a if then block. That's right, you heard it correctly. If touching Ben. So we'll go to Sensing and we'll go to Ben and add this block over. If touching Ben, then what happens? Then our score, so we'll go to variables, will increase by 10. So change score by 10. Do we want it to only happen once? No, we want to add a forever block so that it will happen forever. To make our game more interesting, we can add a sound. So we'll go to sound and add a play sound score until done. After, do we want our clone to be stuck on the screen once Ben touches the clone? No. Hence, we'll need to delete this clue. There we have it. These are all the codes you need for mask and hand sanitizer. Let's see how our game looks like now. So this is pen moving with the arrow keys. So if I touch the mask and hand sanitizer, my score will increase by 10, and there is also a sound effect. So our game works. Good job, everyone. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Do give us a thumbs up and hit on the subscribe button for more coding bites. See you next time. Bye-bye!